The current digital algorithm always has an insatiable demand for visual content. If a song is going to reach new listeners, it almost always needs a video to act as the delivery vehicle. Historically, that created a massive financial roadblock. Traditional production crews and the rental of cinema-grade gear can easily cost more than an independent artist earns in a year. For decades, this meant the independent scene was largely invisible. Without 5 figures for a production budget, your music simply lacked a visual identity. That high-cost barrier is no longer a requirement. You can now replicate a traditional production pipeline using the technology sitting in your pocket right now. High-end visuals are no longer the exclusive domain of major labels. The tools have decentralized, moving from the studio floor to the same device you use to check your emails. A great music video doesn't rely on expensive glass. It relies on capturing human performance. That starts with understanding how to use movement and composition to create interest. Before you shoot, prepare the hardware. Clean the lens, switch to airplane mode, and set your exposure lock to keep the lighting consistent. Finally, use the rule of thirds grid to ensure your framing is balanced. You can create a polished, ethereal effect by filming a half-speed lip sync. You perform the song at double speed on set, and when you slow that footage down by 50% in editing, your body takes on a dreamy, slow-motion quality, while your mouth matches perfectly. To create visual momentum without a crew, use the one take or a long walk POV. Moving through a space, whether it's a city street or a hiking trail, creates an immersive experience that keeps the viewer from scrolling past. Mastering these basics of composition and physical movement replaces the need for a professional camera operator. You can expand the world of your video without leaving your desk. The goal is to acquire high-quality B-roll that adds scale to your performance footage. You can find public domain clips from the Prelinger archives or free 4K stock footage on sites like Mixkit and Pexels. These offer cinematic textures you don't have to film yourself. To make this footage feel intentional, you must edit to the transients of your song. Cutting stock clips exactly to the rhythm of your kick or snare drum creates a visual lock between the audio and the image. This rhythmic editing transforms a collection of free, disjointed clips into a bespoke cinematic world. To bridge the gap between iPhone footage and high-budget production, we use audio-reactive AI tools to escalate the raw assets. Tools like Freebeat analyze your track's BPM and song structure, using that data to automatically map every visual change and lighting shift to the music. It also handles the lip syncing for digital avatars with roughly 90% accuracy, removing the need for manual keyframing or VFX experience. If your song is more abstract, neural frames can generate trippy fractals and surreal landscapes that pulsate in time with your audio. For a final layer of polish, Kling AI can act as a digital green screen, taking your raw iPhone performance and dropping it into an entirely fabricated photorealistic environment. By stacking these tools, a single artist can replicate the visual output of a professional VFX department for a fraction of the cost. This workflow turns a raw bedroom clip into a hyper-stylized, AI-enhanced music video that can hold its own on a global feed. The era of waiting for label funding or production permission is effectively over. The tools to build these visual universes are now accessible on almost any laptop or phone. While a large budget still buys a seat at the marketing table, it no longer dictates the quality of the art itself. Production value is now a variable controlled by execution and creative hustle, not just a bank account.